Hello, this is Feras. Today is the 17th of December, Monday 2018, and it is 11:31 a.m. in Reno, Nevada. We are going to continue with uh, building a website for um, amazing websites, Reno, and good. Now we are going to the part of proof of action. This is I'm looking for the proof of action. Good. Now just a second. Now let's focus a little bit here. Here's somebody. Let me focus a little bit. Here's somebody who provide a website design service. Okay. Expectation to a call on a state of mind what it is about, and they provide a list of services, other services, and that will be a marketing strategy. And here's this person here, access on this person who do that, and she is already on public relation on three type here: public relation, marketing, and sales. Now we did open that door with what you do, like we did give access on this lady as what you do to her email and what you do for a living. So this is the place that she can help you, like you can solve this. Now marketing, now scale. Okay, this lady here is the help on that subject. Now I want some proof of action. Why? Now let me tell you something. Okay, now if we said this is a marketing, online marketing, and so on. Okay, let me type the plan here, and from this point we are going to get our focus back on the on pull marketing and push marketing. Okay, and public relation also. Now I need an idea. Good. And structure to do what? To structure the pain, to structure the call to action, to structure the features, to structure the content the customer relation management, and so on. And then I will design it. I will give the text and colors and so on. Provide some animation, check the input here and here, and so on. Programming to save the programming to save and to send the information. For example, I will send this as an email. This information I will receive it as an email. I will save it on my database. Now I'm going to do also, my team here is going to do some pull marketing. Marketing is going to share the website, like for example the link here is going to be shared with Google Plus help, with Twitter help, and so on. I'm going to do pull marketing with the domain, and maybe I'm going to write some value there, or I'm going to do some value here, and also I'm going to use their advertising system. Push marketing, maybe YouTube advertising, maybe advertising with Google Map, maybe advertising with Google Plus, maybe advertising with email marketing, maybe like Google email marketing as a promotion, maybe advertising with Facebook, maybe advertising with Twitter, and so on. Okay, now here what is going to happen? Here is your lead. Here's your lead sales agent on state of mind, what it is about. These people are asking what this idea is about. Nothing more, nothing less. Don't assume the sales, please. Just figure out their present situation, why they are calling, from where they are calling, and how they did reach you, and so on. Or maybe you are going to call them, like, I don't know if we are a help to you or not. This is my situation, and I'm just figuring out what you like, what you are looking for from this from our advertising. What is the thing that did really grab your attention? Like, these are the things I'm looking for. I don't know at the moment if I'm a help or not. Okay, so don't assume that I'm going to sell you anything. Okay, good. Now this is a different situation. That was like, I'm a plumber, I do plumb shit. Okay, and here's other people IDs. Good. Now to the point we are on that. Here's the idea. I can have your idea from here. Okay, and I will market it Okay, here's the idea I'm solving. Here's solve, here's market, and this lady can do the scale. This lady here can do the scale. She is scale, like she is in TV, she is in news, she is in radio. Okay, like she can do some like this to generate a lead, this to generate a lead, and this also to generate a lead. This is by sales agent. Okay, we are here all to help the sales agent to have a lead. Okay, good. Now here somebody is looking for a proof of action. How we do that? I will operate on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is what I'm looking for. 8 ideas that I can, like I did it. That like here I can do it. Like I didn't utilize that. Or I will go with 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 IDs, 24 other IDs, 24 IDs, okay, or 8 IDs, 8 IDs, or 3 IDs, okay, 3 IDs as a proof of action. Why 3 IDs? Here's the first one, here's the second one, here's the third one. Okay, these are other people IDs. These are other people IDs. Now your idea is like if you are using a checklist, this idea is coming from something that you are really do. It's coming from something that you want to improve it. Okay, you like this is the idea, something that you want to improve it. Okay, now I'm going to virtualize that. I'm going to give access on your IDs, access on your product, access on your service, access on people who can help you, and that will be you and your team, not the production team, the sales team, the marketing team, the public relation team. These people here are on the TV, these people here are on the website, these people here are on chat sales, these people here are on telesales, these people here are on what? These people are on a webinar. These people here are on what? On customer service, inbound call, toll-free number. Okay, so this is the team who is supposed teams who are supposed to handle to communicate the mission. These people really know what they do. They don't provide you with something that you really don't want, because the customer service tomorrow morning he's going to handle that complaint. He did sell me something I don't really want. So what do you think now? How to put it right for you? Well, I need some refunding here. I don't need it. He did get me into this thing, and he did talk and at the end I was in a meeting. I just wanted to continue in my work. I just want my money back. Here's your money back. Or okay, give me something. So the idea here, somebody who is providing the mission, or providing the product, or providing the submission as a new product, is somebody who's a professional. Okay, that will be public relation, marketing and sales, and private relation, and customer service. Okay, these people here can put the product right, can provide the mission right in the right way. Okay, why? Because we have refunding. Why? Because we have replacement, and so on. Good. How we are going to neutralize that waste of time? Like, we are here a little bit on your ideas, okay, but we have other people ideas that we did work on. How to do that? Now, the website designer job, or the web-based solution developer job, is to virtualize. Like, do you see this is an image? This is an image. Okay, this is a picture. This is a mind picture. Good, this is a picture, right? Website also is a picture. This is a picture. I can see this is my computer screen. This is a picture. Okay, true, it's text, but this is a picture. This is something on a screen. Okay, if I'm going to give you a website, okay, here's the system. Now, where's your values? Daily added values. Where's last year added value? Like here's the product. We did created a product. Well, you did make a mistake. Why is that? You did focus on the product. You didn't focus on the marketing plan. Okay, let's solve that and let's provide you with some values. Okay, now the situation is these people are some of them. The situation is okay. Let me get out of this. The situation is how to access on these people again. Okay, I did forget something. I did forget something. I did forget something. Why is that? Amazing website. Okay. Do I have this? These people are the website was amazing websites. Reno. Amazing websites. Reno. Website designer. And Reno. I did forget the domain. Okay, let me have that from Google Maps. Okay, we will get hammered now by that website. Forget about this, and give me maps to Google. Okay, here's that. Reno. I hope I can find the website. Amazing websites. Reno. Okay, this thing here. Okay, here's that. Oh boy, listen to it. Okay, let's see the proof of action here. 1, 2, 3, 4. She did 6 here. Okay, not 7, not 8. She did here. Now she did 6 here. Okay, and on the other page she will do 11. Like she will 6 proof of action and 11 proof of action. Okay, why why would we do 7 and 8? 7 and 8, that was in like 7 and 7 no, the 8 is yes. That was the 50s. That was a little bit the 50s. Today, like here's 24. Okay, and that will neutralize a little bit the content of the story. Okay, what is the content of a story? What is internet? Like you will find people who have no idea what is internet, and that is true. Okay, why? Because they, like, what is the program that they teach them to say, okay, this is a place for testing ideas. This is the virtual place for marketing. And in other words, what is the mastermind group that these people are practicing, like they are operating from? Like, what do you mean? Well, what is your next updates? What do you mean? What is your next improvement? What do you mean? Like, what is your today ideas to improve your financial situation? Like, what do you mean? I'm going for the job. Like, I'm going for the job thing. I'm going for the second job and the third job. Okay, like how to improve what you do? What do you mean? Like you are a plumber, you are you wash cars, right? Right, I do that. Like, did you have any ideas here? Yeah, I did have some ideas yesterday. I was thinking. Here's a little bit. Okay, now we are looking for 24 ideas. Like we are going for some 20 other people 24 ideas. Now we are in business and testing ideas industry. Good. This lady did 11 in some pages. Okay, so I'm looking to have this 7 and 8. Like a little bit, I'm going for 7 and 8, but this will provide stress. Now let me be honest here. This will provide some stress that people really now looking for. Introduction with video background, introduction with image. Okay, why? Because just a second, I'm trying to find something here. Yeah, let me have this blue screen a little bit, like, yeah. Okay, I will have stress now. I will have stress. Why? Because there's somebody else idea of design portfolio, and yeah, let's start by this website. Okay, and this supposed like this image, this supposed to be this image. Now I don't know. Digital hospital inc web design. Okay, now here's the idea. Digital, okay, hospital inc web design. Okay, and this is what they did. This is what they did. Okay, and okay, let me read. The digital hospital website underwent a complete makeover. First, we removed, organized, and stored all of the original content. Next, we selected a new template. We replaced the existing content, added new pages, optimized the site for SEO, uploaded. Okay, so this was the first thing, but my situation is sample video, previous post. Okay, this is previous post, professional organizer website, and sample video. She did here some sample video, demo video. Okay, and I'll pause a little bit. INC. Okay, okay. Let me get to the next one. We just did provided a text. Okay, let me get to a next one. Okay, here's the next one. Okay, let me have this here. What I need from this is this. Okay, now why would I need a website? Just a second. Here's this. Okay, now first of all, here's a client, right? This is a client. Good. Like this is my client, right? If I'm the one who did have this contract, okay, what I'm looking for these people to help me in sharing the page, like sharing this thing with sharing my help with their people. Like here's digital hospital inc web design. Okay, this is my website. Okay, what do you expect from me, Feras? Well, I expect that you share it with your friends. Okay, now in other words, I can pick the phone now to digital hospital inc web design, these people here, these people here, and I will say, listen, could you please log into our website, like visit our website and click Facebook and Twitter and Google and just click it. Say that we are good people. Like say something about us in your Facebook page. Okay, like okay, amazing website designer Reno is these people here. You can have this person and that, and he will do this and he will do that. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. Good. If this was my client, okay, for me in my sales forum contract, or the contract, okay, I will have a place telling me, like if this was the sales forum, this is a place will tell me, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, contact details, like you will see here, contact details, and he will use the referral contact details. This will be my sales forum, and in the old way of selling, okay, we will say, okay, sales forum, we'll say before that we have a closing, and we have presentation, and we have prospecting, right? Prospecting, presentation, closing, and sales forum. Okay, this we call this sales. It's sales forum. Okay, closing and handling objections, objections, right? Okay, how I start handling objections? Please confirm your name. Please give me your name as it's appear in MasterCard or Visa card, he will tell me like my name is Feras. It's Frank Elephant Robert Alpha Sugar. My last name is Sugar Alpha Alpha Delta. Okay, okay. Now please confirm your home address. Is this your home? Yeah, this is my home. Is this your office address? Yes, this is your office address. Okay, can you please provide me with the 16 digit? No, no, no. I don't want. Like, why you don't want to buy? Now I will do something called. I will repeat the presentation form. This is this blah blah. Okay, that will be handling objection, and that is the stress of the sales. Like, okay, he's going to sell me something I don't want. That is something that he don't want. Okay, now at some point I did make the sale. Now I'm looking for contact details. Okay, now I don't know, like in our situation here, we are offering some, like here's a client that we did help. Okay, and please share us here if that didn't happen. Why? Okay, you have 5,000 friends here on Facebook. I have. Now this person I really did help. It didn't mean that I don't like these people. No, no, did it scam us? Like, okay, did it scam us? No, it just we still have a long-term relationship with them. We have a long-term relationship with them. If like why? Because we have a good customer service. If they did call us, we will support them. If they did requested a help, like a little bit, we are helping these people here. And for me, I'm looking to grow my business. Just share it. Yeah, I would love to help you, Feras, for doing this. This is what I do. Look for with as okay. This is a good customer. This is a good human being to help. Okay. Now here we are going for the next part, but I'm going to get back a little bit. I don't want to be damaged by any IDs. I didn't find the website, by the way. This our client had hired blah 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 some clients previous next. Okay, professional organizer website. Okay, now this is the title. Okay, website, and this is another idea. So this is another idea. We can see the website. We have access on this website. Okay, and I need now this here. I need this here. Okay. So this is what she said about. Okay, and so on. Now this is what we do, and digital INC web design, and so on and so on. That was the proof of action. Let me have another thing here. Let me have this thing here. Where you did go now? Where? It's a introduction thing. Come on. Well, I did lost it. Here it is. Is this thing? Okay. Now let me get back. So to the point 3. This is the third one. Patient portal. It's a shitty menu. Website design. Sample healthcare website. Sample. I don't know what do you mean by that. But here's Nevada. Sample healthcare website. Okay, this is a really big. These titles, I don't care. Let's keep it. Okay, now here's that. I'm not going for like this. Will be the third point. Okay, this is the third idea. This was the third idea. Okay, I will share it. I can go like I'm going with one. Share. Where's the share? No, here's the share. Thank you very much. Good. So good. To the point. No, forget about that. We did the sharing. To the point. We have 3 IDs. And shareable. shareable, shareable, shareable. Okay, we did that. Digital Hospital INC web design. What you do for making living, that's it. Send that. Share. Space. Share, share, share. Share and share. Let me have this thing here like top and this thing here. Okay. Now this from start to finish. Okay, she did have that, and every idea here have a call to action. If you did notice here, the call to action is follow us on Facebook. The call to action next to previous. No, you don't do that. She did focus on the image. Now I will not do the image part. And if you did notice, the website here is going like shitty. Now this is a content management system. Like if you are going for that, oh boy, come on, let's get back. Now third, and this is the fourth one. Okay, I forget something. No, you didn't. Reno website designer, help entrepreneur save money. Reno website designers, I don't know. She's focused on these words. She can do it in another place. Now I will get to the text later on. I will read what she did type. Like, you didn't read what she did type? Yeah, I didn't. Like, would you read it? I'm trying not to read it. I want to trust her. Why? Because I'm trying to help her. This is a not like this is a really high value person. Like, did you read her CV? But she is communicating like she's communicating like a politician, and yeah, they really damaged the economy, man. Unbelievable. They really did damage the economy. Like, she might have like survive in the 50 with their way of communication, or in the 90s, I don't know. Like, okay, here's an email. Oh, I see an email. I want to see it. What it is about? I don't know, but it's just an email. I want to read it. But today, with attention situation, like, I will be. That's it. Okay, this is the fourth. We are on the fourth now. Let me keep the counter here. We have I believe 4 IDs. Okay, but just a second to notice what we are doing. Okay, here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, share. Now I will go with this will be live. The idea for me is the live website, like from live demo here, the call to action. See, live website. This is what I'm looking for, live website. Okay, but I don't know which website do have a live. Okay, let's get back. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. How did I bash this one? Yeah, 4. This is the 5th. Okay, Reno designer creates real estate website that brings more leads for agents. Okay, this will be the idea here. Reno designer. Okay, professional organizer website. Reno website design sample healthcare website. These are the ideas that she is helping people with as a proof of action. Where's that? Where's that, man? Where's that? This color. Okay, let me have this color, and let me have this idea. Okay, here's the idea. Come on. Oh, here's the idea. Here's how she did help them. Okay, and this is the image about the project. This is a real estate agent. this was a real estate. Okay, now how she did describe it, it's up to them. Okay, to the point, I like it. Now from the top to the here to here and here and here and here and here. Now I can say some call to action to this location, but anyway, let's get down there. Let's get down there. Now we did reach 1 2 3 4 5, I don't know, 5, fifth one. Okay, now I will change the color a little bit at the 8. 1 2 3 4 5. It's a 5. Oh, I did have this fifth here. Huh, this one. Oh, I'm looking for this thing. Share this page. Okay, like I would love to share this page with this one. You have the same idea. Okay, living and so on. Here's the 6th one. Oh, I like this number. 1 2 3 4 and 5th one. We did have this 5th one. Reno design creative. This is a real estate. Okay, now website for small Reno business. Website for small Reno businesses. What you do now? Let's see that. This was the idea that they have. Website for small Reno businesses. Okay. Okay. Oh boy. I will copy. We specialize in creating websites. These people here, oh, she did help us, website designer. So, do you see that? Like they help website designers. We specialize in creating websites for small. This small business came to us for help to small business. now, just a second. Why is it different? Like if they are a big business, this mean or like they have 5,000 business, like 5,000 employee. Like come on. Describing people as small, like well, I'm in public relation, you know. Okay, this is it. Okay, now let's get to the share. Here's the share part. Let me share this. Top and bottom. There is no. Do you see this boxing thing? Margin top, margin left. And yeah. Have a good day. Padding and yeah. This is a good content management system. Like this is a like yeah. Go away. Now we did this. Here is this one now. Is this 7? This is 7. Oh, she really have a bad thing here. E-commerce, website development, examples. Examples. Oh boy. This is an example. Like I will go with the idea of an example. Like examples. Find that tool. I did forget the S. Okay, don't be the S. I'm not the S. You are the like a better way to manage your health. That's it from here. I will have the line. Oh boy, I didn't have the line for the before one. I have no idea. Like, I'm not gonna read it. You're gonna read it. I'm not me. If you're like, oh, We are reading. Like, give us anything. I do right. Like, like you right? Yeah, I do right to learn. Like, this is how do I learn. I don't do I do watch and listen, and I do write. I do create. Like, to learn, yes, this is how I do learn. Let's get back here. Huh. Now where we are, I did lost where I am. Small businesses. Where I am, man. This was the e-commerce. Now small business website design case study. How clean, cool, and classy. I don't care about these cool shit, man. Like, I don't care about what you are talking. Like, I can have a subtitle, but to be honest, man, like, this is other people ideas. The idea that you can do it is available now. I can do it. Okay. This is about me. I can do it, but this is not about you. Like, this is about me. I somebody who have that can do it. I don't know about you if you can survive. You don't do that. Like, GoDaddy, blah blah blah. No, 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 no. You don't go with details now. Do you have an idea to test it? Small business website design case study. Created for an internal. This is a user-friendly website we designed from the ground up on GoDaddy template platform. Okay, this is your content of a story. Not my problem. Not my problem. That was GoDaddy. This one here is franchise website content development. Come on, come on, come on. We are going for the images. If you are looking for images, we can go for the images, but I don't want to damage the IDs. Oh, hold it. Hold it. Content development. Okay, I forget something. Let me have this now. Then I will add that thing. I will have two from it. I will have two from it. And I can delete any text I want. I have that luxury because I do use Mobilize. Like, yeah, I like it. It feels a little bit hard to watch these things being built, man. Like, this is a framework, like, and yeah, it's a framework. Like, he's somebody who did spend his life learning Joomla, and as a waste of content. Like, I have no idea why it's a waste of time here. Why is documentary? Why is documentation? Why is using their support? Use their support. Like, add this to the course. Using these people's support. Why? Because you don't have to be. I don't know, man. I don't know. Okay, now I don't know. Just a second. Just a second. I'll forget the counting now. Okay, this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, now at 8, at this one, what was this one? This one was small business website design case study. I should change the line. Small healthcare case study. Reno website design, real estate website for small Reno businesses. Yeah, small e-commerce website development. I think this one. small business website. This was a small business website. This was e-commerce. This was the seventh one. Okay, I will start have some good colors here for myself. This is me as an owner of the website. I would say, can I change the color a little bit? Can I go for this color, like this color here? Like if you did reach this level here, like I would be, huh? Can I have some yellow thing? Oh, the sun started to rise. Yeah, here the sun will start to rise for you. Why? There's another color. That would be the blue color. The sun started to rise. And sun, this is the sun, not me. This is another color, like yellow. The sun started. How the sun keep it blue, man? Like the sun started. Okay, I would pick these two colors. I like these colors. Yeah. Oh, I did forget what I did pick. It's the first color. The sun started to rise. For this thing, and this will be the color blue. This color, like I don't know, like it's really rising. Okay, I'll go with this degree now. Rise. Here's the sun started to rise like heat. This is heat. Okay. Oh boy. Here, and we have another two here. I can go with two colors. Yeah, this one here. Content development. Oh boy. Content development for franchise. Franchise website content development. This is another word. Franchise website content development and SEO for franchise. This was an idea, other people idea. Content development for franchise, for better navigation. Now she did describe it as that word. I don't care what I do describe it is. Okay, now let's see this one. Okay. Application. Okay. Let me fix the colors here. This color was now so yellow. Now, okay, and the other color is this one, so blue. This one, I'll go with this color. Yeah, a little bit. Okay, let's have the text. Let's have the text. I don't know what I did say. Forget about what I'm talking about. Just copy pasting. I'm somebody who just copy pasting what other people are saying about their other people. Finally, thank you so much. Okay, let me have this here. Have a one here. Come on. Oh boy, this is a long down there. Okay, let me have two of this one. Well, finally in the last, this 11. Okay, good. This is the last one. Okay, let me have the last one. Designer improve website. Okay. Okay, I will say no. I don't know why she typed that. Oh, she did type that, and I did change that. Okay, okay. Now, if you did see the content here or the context, here's somebody who's what we do. Do you know? Blah blah blah, and then we started to provide IDs. Okay, we started to provide IDs that we did work on, and we started to reach this level, and here we go here, and I will go with another color. Here's the other color. I will say, okay, here's the color, make it yellow, and make it this color, yellow, so yellow. Okay, this color here, this color, this color. No, it's yellow, so yellow. Okay, and this color here, the gray bar. What about this color? No. Let's look nice here. Can I see this? Like I did had it from you. Like if you did reach this level, man, like, huh? What do you think? This is like at some point I'll get your attention here. Like 11. This is the 11th one, the last one. Okay, if you didn't get it, I did had it from like 11th. Good. So a little bit here, I did get back to what I did use the 11th, but a little bit I did change the color. Like on the 7 I did use a color, and on the 8, on the 9, and on the 10th, and on the 11th. Like this is a color. State of mind. This is just a state of mind. Okay. Now usually while I'm reading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and here's another feeling, and here's another feeling, and here's another feeling, and here's another feeling. What is happening? These are other people IDs. Now what it is, like we did have 11 IDs for other people. IDs for other people. Okay, and shareable, like, okay, this is other people IDs. Okay, this is what we did have here, other people IDs. What do you do for making living? He said that. Share this thing. Okay, now okay, okay, now this should be Why is this? It should be call, not call. It should be, what it should be. What it should be. This should be, what is the call to action? If we did have a call to action, call, request a call back, send, request a call back, for example. Yeah, I will go with the request a call back. Why? Because this thing, request a call back. This is send, and here I'm I'm going to present request a call back. Request a call back. This is the call action. Request a call back. 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 Okay, and he can click this button here, or this one. Okay, now the situation is, well, we can see this. Now this is the situation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We did go to this point. 9, 10, and 11. Like this is it. You did reach the bottom line. Okay. Testing IDs industry. Okay, that will be share this page. Okay, now I want to relax a little bit. Yeah, let me get back to the home here, and let me see web design portfolio, and these images here. Let me see these images, and the problem is there's, like, for example, this website here have a live demo. This website here live demo. Now just a second. This website have a live demo. If I can reach this viewer here, sample demo video. Now, who did created this video? Does it tell? Oh, this was the website. Thank you very much. Digital host blah blah blah. Thank you. That was the website. Now this will be live website. Live website. It's a live website. Why would I watch that? I have internet. Open in a new tab. Insert. Now let's see that. Here's the website. Is this the website? Where's the complete of that? Oh boy. Yeah, nice. There's a lot of things like, what did happen? Well, this is a plugin they didn't for and this was powered by website builder, as you can see. Now we are, this is our customer. Oh, I did just the website. That was content management. Like, if you don't open, like for me, if you open here and you start structure and design animation, if you are really good and you want to content management system, and you started, okay, I don't know PHP, I don't know a little bit, and you'll be surprised by the word framework. Like, you will say, okay, a little bit, let me wait a little bit. Framework thing, I don't know your framework. Okay, and like framework for Joomla, framework for for WordPress. Okay, framework for this thing. Why? Because I have an issue with this plugin and that plugin and so on, I have to understand how your framework do operate. Then I'm going for the documentation to understand it. Then I'm going to fix this situation. I'm going to fix the previous situation. Now let's see this website here. Okay, this is the website. Previous. I don't see the website. Come on. Previous and next. I don't see this website. Come on, give me the website. Let me see the website. Help me. Let me have the website, please. No, the image. Don't go with the image. Don't go with the image. Okay. Where to find it? I hate that. Where did I see it? I see something here. Okay, I visited this website before. Come on. Like, you are going to take my client. No, I'm not going to take your client, but I'm just trying to help you here. Like somebody is taking my client from me. Come on. I'm just looking for your... Like, this is my client. You are not... you can see the picture, but you're not gonna see the domain. Okay? Okay. Professional organizer website. Yeah, we are lifted with 11 other 10 websites now to figure out where to find them. I did see that. Yeah, here's where I did see organizer. Arizona, blah blah blah, by area. I did click at one of these. Arizona. It cannot establish a connection. Let's see the other one. Open. We did find this one. There's another one. No, there was another one. Client website. Oh, this one. This one. Thank you very much. Oh, I need this. Okay, I need this. Okay, professional organizer. Live website. Can't see it. Where's the callback? Oh, that's... Okay, now this for Reno web designer. Oh, I have to figure out now things. Okay, let's skip this page and let me open this one here, because I will be Nevada healthcare thing. Come on, show the client website. Show the client website. She didn't show the client website. She didn't show the client website. Corporate office. Oh, this is a Nevada Healthcare Health Center corporate office in Carson City. Needed a new branding. Okay. Now a little bit here. Like sometime we didn't type this. It's some call to make an appointment. Nevada Healthcare. Why wouldn't you link the website? Because I want to show you the image here. You don't do that. Come on. Healthcare. This is okay. This is absolutely amazing. I don't know. I hired. Okay. Entertainment. There was the healthcare. Oh boy, where's the healthcare? I don't want to show the image. I can show the image. I can show the image. Like here's the image of the website, but I don't want to do that. I want a live. Oh, this is good. Oh, I'm not looking in the right location. This was Arizona. Why is Arizona? Okay. No. Why I did? Okay. This one. This thing. Come on. Help me here. Help me help you. Okay, this one here. This is a website. This one, no website. We have been working with blah 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 blah. Who you are? Business coach. Steve Lewis. Business coach. Okay. Now I'm in trouble. Why is that? I don't know. Web design portfolio. Okay, I have to find the links. Or I have to go with the images. If I did that, just a second. Now let me tell you why I'm looking like, why not the theme? If you go for like example for here's let me have this here. See this? This is Mobilize. Okay, here's Mobilize and here's Microsoft. Good. Microsoft Visual Studio start point. Good. I'm a developer, educated, trained to go with the idea, trained to go with the if statement. Good. If I'm going for building from not bad, I have the plan. Like I'll go from 1 to 8. If I'm going for Visual Studio here, he will go with the culture of IT product. He will go with, okay, this is an IT product, this is an account, this is a web, like this is a knowledge application. Like, what do you mean by that? Well, if I'm going with Microsoft culture, they will say, okay, there's the virtual place and there's the product. Here's the product. Here's the product that you are going to do. Okay, and I will say, okay, listen, there's a virtual place, there's testing virtual, like you can build it, it's up to you. Virtual place. Okay, and there's two type of virtual. There's a virtual place, and there's web, like web designer virtual place. Okay, this is the web development. Okay, virtual, like there's another virtual place that will be content management content management system, like website design thing. Okay, we are Microsoft, if you didn't get the memo. Okay, so you are going for IT product. Okay, like this have an idea and this have an idea. Okay, you can have that here also. Okay, but to the point, when they provide me with a theme, a startup point, a theme, okay, I know where I'm going. Okay, now the theme contribution part, if we started to offer it as IDs, okay, well, I offer it like live demo, and I will fill it sorry, with rubbish data. Okay, to the point that, like, if you did ask me to type some real text, no, I have no idea how to type it. That will be the marketer, not me. Okay, that would be somebody called marketer, not me. Like, you are really a value. Like, yes, I'm a value, but I do operate from waste of time concept. Like, what? I do read, I do the application, then I do. Like, I might copy paste, I might learn it, I do it, like, I do learn very fast, in a very, very fast way. Really? Yeah, I just the documentation, and I'm very, very good at cheating, for you. Like I don't care about what you like. And also one of the mistake, if I did like this to me, if I didn't go to YouTube and look for the solution as a team leader here, I would like I did make a mistake, like cheat. Like if I didn't cheat, I did make a mistake. Like that is the situation. Okay, now but the problem here for us is we are going to execute a plan and we need an idea. I don't want to damage the idea of like, okay, I need a website like Microsoft, but I don't know if you can do it or not. She did requested a platform. Ah, well, you don't know. I don't know if you can. Okay, oh, I need a website like, do you see Amazon.com? Like I don't like it a lot, but I don't need a website like that. But if you can update it, well, that is an IT product, but it is Amazon and it is a system. Like a little bit, they started to have system. Like somebody here will say, okay, it's not a system, it's an account. Well, it's up to them to provide a culture as an account, and they started to have a system. Like, is it ships level? No, just store like warehouses, and they package things. Like they are now in the product. They just packaging things, and they are selling vegetables. Like if you insist on where they are going, they did that. The 1990s vegetable thing, they did that. Okay, but I need a website like Amazon. I need a website like Google.com. You see, Google is easy. Now these people are here, like these people are on the product, and they are in the product, and it's not a product. Like they are looking to a product, but it's not. It is a business design. Okay, we are looking for a business design that is the capitalism part and so on. What do you mean by that? That is a training. That is a coach and so on. Not me. Okay, so a little bit here. I'm just the one who can help you with the contact details. like like do you see there's a mouse and keyboard, and if you have knowledge to be like, for example, like if you said here's a knowledge, and like give me an example. Like if I said water to like no, something else. If you said I want the car to beep at what 100, I might be that one. If I yeah, like at 100 mile I want it to be, or at 60 I can do that. Like I want to register right, left, right steering thing. I want to register that, and I can follow my I can do that. Okay, and I want to like the Visa card. You see this Visa, I can do that. Like I'm a programmer. Like, do you see this mobile? I can do that. Do you see? I can do that. Okay, but don't tell me Alibaba like that I can do that. That will be cheating and cheating and cheating, and I can do that. Okay, but don't tell me Alibaba.com. Don't tell me something like okay, do you see NASA.com thing? Come on, these people are in image processing. They created a complete system for image processing. There's MATLAB thing. A little bit. I have some small knowledge on that, but don't tell me that okay, NASA the will to do it. Okay, now don't tell me that I'm going to work for you as a website designer for a breakthrough technology. Like these people are going for a breakthrough through technology. There's an approach to that. Well, it must be a huge problem, huge pain. Okay, like for a lot of people, okay, like the pain is clear here. Okay, not like Google. No, that the pain is clear. Second, I will go with a radical solution. Here's a radical solution. Okay, for example, I will say these words. For example, I will say the will to do it. Like 5 words. I will say the will to do it. And you will take that from me as and you will consider me as a scientist. Point 3, we will go for point 3, we will go for the breakthrough technology. Breakthrough through technology. Okay, but don't tell me like Google. I understand this thing. I understand this thing, and I can tell you examples on this. We will say, okay, failure to success, failure to success. We will say, here's Steve Jobs telling everybody to like small big, small big, small big, and the scientist like, do you want to provide me with a discount on the basic? And he will go to and he will start doing everything he's saying. The boss said he's going to give me a discount on my basic. Oh, what I'm going to do? I did buy that coffee. I did buy that Nescafe today. And it's Monday, and he will have a heart attack. Good. So a little bit we did that. I'm in trouble on finding the links, so I have to find these links here, like for live. Let me do something. Oh boy, how to find that live website? These words here. I'm in trouble in finding the live website. I don't know why she didn't do that. Like she did provided an image. Why? Why would you provide an image, not the live website? Well, like they do that. Like the do you see? They do that with rubbish data. Like I don't know. They do that with rubbish data. Like they do. Like that is a website builder, and that is a host business. They do that with video also, like 5 minutes video how to drag and drop things, and you have a live website. This is a real idea being rendered with its fullest possible quantity and fullest possible and best possible quality. I don't know. Well, it's not like really nice website. Do you see, for example, on the first website that you did visit, you did have a trouble, right? Okay, why would you sell people like that, like that content management system? Like here, no, this was live demo. First one was a live demo. Now this one, I did lost that. Preview. Okay. I don't have a lot of websites. Is that Arizona organized solution. Be organized. Schedule a free consultation. This is nice. This is a nice website, by the way. Like, what did happen to that? What did happen to here? What did happen here? Like it is well, it is the first website. I see client sample video, sample demo video. I don't know why is that. This is sample demo video, and oh, that's it. Why you did have this empty space here? Well, that's how this thing did solve this thing here. Like it's normal. Like, is it the first time you see that? No, I know, but why this thing? Well, it's depend on your screen thing. Bootstrap. Okay, this was the website. I don't know. Medical error videos. I'm not looking for medical error videos. I'm looking for this website. And again here, you see this here. This was a plugin, and I will have it, man. I will have it. Where's the first website? INC. Link it. Come on, can you delete it? That was 10 years ago. I don't care. You did declare this information. It's up to you. Live demo. I want to have this word here. Live website. Okay. Like, is that my live website? Do you have here a link? Here's the link. live website, live website, live website, live website, live website. We are in trouble in the links. Okay, now why would I do that? I will do this background color without images just because this is your idea and that other people IDs, and this is what it is about. 11 IDs for other people and it's shareable. Okay, this is it for this video. Amazing website. Following the content management, if you did notice, that was following the free. Here's the website, it is free. Here's the website, it's just this thing. Well, it's not my problem now, right? Like, this is your prototype. I will study it. I will see if I'm a help or not, and I will provide some proof of action. You can see it as a video, and if you are interested, we can go from that point. Like, yeah, but I'm really sorry. Like, if you're looking for the prices, you know better. And I really don't accept anybody as a customer or as a client. If you're going to like the price, have a good day. Have a really a good day. Now this is the price issue. Do you see that? This was the price issue. The price issue. And she like, I need the administration tools. Like, here's a website. Like, this website costs $20,000, and it is amazing. Boy, why? Because they did spend the time to fix every detail about it. Handmade. Okay. Now let me get back a little bit on my focus. Here's a website designer. This lady can do amazing website. This lady can do this marketing strategy. This lady here can help you can start a business, small or part-time or and full-time. This lady here, and she do the marketing plan. If you did ask somebody here, what is your marketing plan? Well, as a website, this lady do that. What is your, like, for the next 5 years? I would say something. I will have an opinion for online. I will have an opinion for a map. I will have an opinion. Do you see Google have an opinion for a lot of businesses listing a business in his website? Just an earth and some satellite thing and a lot of images. That boy, that a lot of work, and they did have an issue with the added value. Now anyway, we did have here 11 proof of action, other people ideas. The idea here is visiting the live website. This, we are going for the live website. Now there was a mistake, that was following the follower. Live website, following the follower. If you did notice, the developer here or the website designer here, he went to the themes. He went to themes. Themes is a rubbish data, and that is your ID. Like, that was the designer idea for another design for a programmer. His themes, that was the designer, and we are looking for now a programmer opinion. Programmer. Okay, the programmer will say, okay, I like this theme, I don't like this theme. Okay, and now they are trying to say, okay, no need for codes, no need for the programmer, just the themes. Drag and drop. Well, you don't need the programmer. Why? Because you are here and this is a static website. You already don't need a programmer. And if so, let him provide you with that work. No, you will not do that. Okay, as a free, but like, okay, this is free. that will be an asset that we did share with you, and we have support on that. That is the culture. Themes, and this is not a theme. This is a live website. This is a real idea. And if you did share the if you did give access, like this was access on the idea, in other words, this was access on the mission. I was serious about that for a reason. Access on the mission, reading it, reading it. But like me here, I'm reading somebody mission. Okay, I'm seeing the transaction to that, like the virtuality to that. Okay, marketing virtuality for them. Okay, and a little bit that will affect my like, I'm clear here, like following, like am I focused on my idea, or am I following the follower? Now for me I have somebody to admire. Like if you said, okay, give me somebody to admire, I will go Google. I will say, for example, here's people in communication, ring central, and I will look to them here. Come on, I will look to their menu. Here's access from people who can help you. Here's the chat communication. Here's their navigation menu. Okay, this is the call to action. All of that is here. And here's the product, solution, support, and about us. Product, solutions, support, and about us. That's how they did operate. And there's another company that I usually look. CK editor. These people have really a nice approach. Okay, I would say Google.com. I would say CK approach, CK editor, and I would see this. You see this, how this people do have the website. You will see here the menu, CK editor 4.5, and you will see pricing, documentation, help center, blog, contact us. Okay, this is an idea of a website, and I look to them, and okay, this is good. I look, okay, this is a good website. Here's the pain. Here's why he operates from the why. These people really know what they are doing. Okay, these people are on standards, and good, and this is good. This website here is good. So live website that was following the follower, by the way. Like, let me show you that. Who's okay, let me show you the professional channel, CMS, WordPress, themes. You will find that designer work. Okay, but now you like, this is a theme. Now developer, like any issue developer. Why we are just the themes? Like, here's a designer will say, okay, I have no idea why it's happening. I need the developer, and the developer will say, okay, this is a work for, like, this is like this. No, I didn't work this code, and I need to look to the documentation now. Come on, give me a break here. Okay, like, go for them for the support. Like, these people that build it, they sell support. Go for them, not me. Okay, so this is it for this video. We are just looking for customers, nothing more, and clients to help them with their IDs, and these IDs we are going to virtualize the access to the people who can help people. Thank you for watching. See you at the next video. We are going to continue with how we are going to reach these teams here. She did provided us with a theme contribution on a real IDs. I don't know. We will continue with her CV. She have one of unbelievable. For me, well, I can here's somebody to admire. Here's somebody to admire as a website designer. Well, she have a path for for the last 20 years, she said, okay, public relation. I'm interested to see that CV, good. And what is the other choice? I will look for Google as public relation services. That's it. And please, we want customers. Like, no, I just want to know what it is about. Thank you for watching. It's been nice 90 minutes. Have a great rest of the day, and bye bye.